Mastering Power Automate. Automate your daily tasks in minutes. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. Power Automate is a powerful tool that helps you streamline your daily tasks, saving you valuable time. What is Power Automate? Power Automate, formerly known as Microsoft Flow, is a cloud-based service that automates workflows across various applications and services. Whether it's sending reminders, collecting data, or automating reports, it simplifies complex processes. Getting started. To get started, first, create a free account. Once you're in, you'll find a user-friendly interface with many templates. Explore the hundreds of pre-built flows, which can be customized to suit your needs. Don't worry, no coding skills are required. Create your first flow. Let's create a simple automation flow. Imagine you want to receive an email alert whenever a new file is added to your OneDrive. Start by selecting Create from the home screen. Choose Automated Cloud Flow and set the trigger to when a file is created. Next, specify the folder in your OneDrive and define the action, which is to send an email. Fill in the details of the email, and voila, you've just automated an important notification. Explore and optimize. Once you're comfortable, explore other integrations. Power Automate works seamlessly with popular applications like SharePoint, Teams, and Outlook. Automating repetitive tasks not only saves time but also reduces errors, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Conclusion. Mastering Power Automate empowers you to take control of your workflow and enhance productivity. Start exploring today, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can automate your daily tasks. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.appsbaba.cloud.